What's up guys, in this video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the best-selling soundbar on Amazon as of right now, April 2022. This is the first video to a new series I'm going to be starting on this channel where I'm going to be reviewing the best-selling items in different categories on Amazon. So let me know which categories I should go after first, but other than that, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so here you can see that we are on the Amazon bestsellers list and we are in the soundbars category, and number one right now is this one right over here. It only cost $39.95 and it is a pretty small soundbar, but it is for the TV, so we're gonna go ahead and get this and see how good it actually is. It is a 50-watt soundbar according to this listing, and like I mentioned earlier, it was $39.95. And however, they do have a 10% coupon right now, so we're going to go ahead and apply that. So that should take off another $4. We're going to go ahead and place the order, unbox it, and see how good it actually is. So I'll go ahead and see you guys in a few days. Alright guys, so we're back. We got the package. We're going to go ahead and open it up and see how good it actually is. And also, just because it is the best-selling subwoofer doesn't mean it's going to actually be good or anything like that. And I am going to be honest with you guys, whether it just completely sucks or if it's somewhat good. And I mean, you can't expect too much for the price point, but let's go ahead and cut this right open and check it out. Let's go ahead and pull it right off. Bam, there is the speaker box itself. As you can see here, it is the Majority Baufel compact Bluetooth soundbar. On both the sides we just have a little text saying Majority on it, and then on the back we can go ahead and register the soundbar for a 3-year warranty. It gives you the information right over here, and right below that we have 4 main features here, which is a built-in subwoofer, Bluetooth, USB and aux playback, and remote control. So that sums up the box. Now we're gonna go ahead and open it right up. So we have a small box right over here. We'll go ahead and open up this first. And it looks like this is a charger. So we have the power cable right over here. We'll set this to the side. Next we have a little pamphlet that just shows you how to register the 3-year warranty once again. And lastly, we have the speaker itself surrounded by 2 blocks of styrofoam on each end. Then take those off. We'll remove the plastic, and bam, there you guys go. There is the speaker itself. I mean soundbar. I keep saying speaker, but this is a soundbar, and it actually looks really nice. It has like a glossy black type of material on it, as you can see there. Really nice looking, that's for sure. We'll take a closer look at the soundbar itself in just a second. I did notice there's one last thing in the box, and I believe this is gonna be some cables and probably the remote control. And it is. It looks like we have an aux cable. I believe these are the RCA cables. And lastly, we have the remote control, which does take I believe 2 AAA batteries, as you can see there. This best-selling soundbar from Amazon has 2 stereo speakers and a built-in subwoofer, producing a total of 30 watts of power. At least that's what they advertise. They say that each stereo speaker provides 15 watts of power, so a total of 30 combined. On the bottom we have 2 pegs, which does have a material to prevent slipping. On one side of the speaker it is completely left blank, and then on the other side we have a power button at the top, followed by a volume up button, volume down button, and then an aux input. Again, the majority of the speaker does have this glossy black material, which is definitely a fingerprint magnet. I can see my fingerprints throughout the entire soundbar already. And then on the back of the speaker we do have a couple more inputs here, and those are the optical in, USB, and then the DC 12V. And then the rest of the back just has that same glossy material like we've been seeing throughout the entire speaker. On the top we just have the Majority labeling, as you see there. My first impressions of this speaker is that it's really good looking. It does have the glossy fingerprint magnet material. However, if it is kept clean, it's gonna look really nice, and it is pretty compact. It's not very big. As you can see here, I'll go ahead and compare it to my iPhone 12 Pro Max. So it is probably about 3 iPhones, maybe 2.5. Yeah, it doesn't look very big at all.
That's what she said.
So it is a really nice looking speaker in my opinion, but obviously it has to perform, as that is the most important part. So let's go ahead and find out how this bad boy performs. As you can see behind me, I do have the soundbar right over here. It is connected to my laptop, and we're gonna go ahead and do the test that way. So there we are at the lowest possible volume. So now we're gonna go ahead and play a few seconds of this YouTube video and see how it sounds at the lowest possible volume.
His whole life spiraled out of control. Even in 2022, it's still...
So it sounds fairly decent, however, it's not the loudest. Let's go ahead and go up to about half volume. So that's about halfway. Now let's go ahead and play a few more seconds.
Bam. Bam's father, Phil, was obsessed with the home video.
So that's ridiculously loud, and it is only halfway. I am in my office, so it is a pretty small room, so do consider that as well. Personally, I believe the sound quality is impressive for the price point that this soundbar is at, and I definitely can see why this is the highest selling soundbar on Amazon. But let's go ahead and turn the volume all the way up, play the video for about 5 seconds just to see what it can really do. So now it is all the way up, and just remember guys, the sound on this video is not going to be edited whatsoever. So let's go ahead and hit play and see what it does.
In the 80s. He recorded everything Bam and his brother just did all around Westchester.
So it's definitely very, very loud. I don't even want to play it anymore. It's pretty excessive. But again, as I mentioned, we are in a small room, and if you're in a larger area such as a living room, then it might not sound so crazy loud. So that sums up my unboxing and review of the best-selling soundbar on Amazon. I think it's worth the price. It's definitely a great cheap soundbar you can get with some pretty good sound quality. If you are interested in picking yourself up one of these, I will include a direct link in the description below. But other than that, if you enjoyed the video, please smash the like button. It really does help out a lot. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.